when you set something on your calendar,
Hmm.
what happens to it if you're not able to do it? What do you do with it?
Dismiss it. Usually, I don't
Okay.
want that reminder again.
Okay.
Very rarely will I move it or it's rescheduled, but usually it's just dismissed.
And what do you think that does for your task when you just dismiss it? How does that help?
I mean, it's sometimes it won't get done or it's delayed in getting done. That's what I should say. It'll get done, but it just won't get done in a timely fashion.
Is there another method that you would like to use in comparing to
Um,
dismissing?
I don't know if there's really a method that I can do. It's just more on me to be able to I should reschedule the task or like, move it on my calendar to ensure that it gets done.
Okay. Would this be something that you would want to see happen?
Yes.
Okay. What do you think it would
Yeah.
take to move it? What would it take?
Definitely a little bit of self-discipline to be able to do that. But I think once I begin really using my electronic calendar and relying on it and seeing, I'll know the importance of me getting the task done. So I will, move it as opposed to just dismissing it. Because right now I don't really use my calendar. So if like one thing goes off and it's not done immediately right then, and then I might snooze it. But if I don't get it done after I've snoozed it and it's like come back, let's say an hour or two, then I'll just dismiss it. But then it leads me and it could cause issues. So in now using my calendar, I know that I'm going to need to move things over and reschedule them, especially if I'm sharing it, because other people will be relying on that schedule as well.
Oh, wow. That's an amazing observation. I've just recognized that what you're saying here is that you're sharing this calendar. You have these categories. You have work, you have family,
Mm-hmm.
you have yourself, and all these
Yes.
categories in your life. It sounds to me like what you're saying, Nancy, is that it's very, very critical, like very critical that you keep
Mm-hmm.
task at hand, meaning
Yes.
you actually move it to another time when you know you can do it.
Yes.
This is interesting.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is
It
good.
is.
This time together, I learned from you, you learned from me. This is wonderful. This is good.
Absolutely.